Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a quick demo of Cartflows and the Gutenberg editor coming up. Alright, so if you've been watching my tutorials about sales funnels on WordPress, you may have noticed that I mainly use a page builder. So recently, Cartflows came up with an update where you can use Cartflows now with Gutenberg. Now, to be honest, I haven't even tried it, so this is going to be my first experience. So let's dive into it. Let's go through the whole experience together, and that way you can see pretty much how Cartflows really works with the Gutenberg editor to create your sales funnels. All right, so what I've done ahead of time is I've gone in and I've installed Cartflows and Cartflows Pro. Now, the reason why I prefer using Pro is because I get to add my upsells and downsells and all that great stuff. And also, before I forget, if you do buy Cartflows using my affiliate link, I'll give you access to my Sales Funnel Mastery course, a course that teaches you how to build sales funnels on WordPress. All right, so let's dive in and let's get started. So over here, we are here at my admin dashboard. So what I'm going to do is I just want to make sure I'm running my latest plugins here. So I'm just going to go to my installed plugins. And in fact, I need to come over here to the top and click on updates just to make sure that I'm running the latest one. Okay, so it looks like I'm running the latest. So here it's saying you're using an older version of Cartflows Pro. Please update the plugin to 1.5 or 0.4. All right, so let me do that first. All right, so what I'm going to do here is to just click on update and make sure we're running the latest version, because that's the one that's going to have all the features that we need. All right, so now that Cartflows Pro has been updated, the next step here is to just come over here to settings. I just want to see if I can choose Gutenberg, and yes. So here we only had our page builders. Gutenberg wasn't there before, so it looks like, yeah, that's good. I'm going to save changes. Now, the next step now is to find out if the editor actually shows. So I'm going to come over here to flows. I'm going to create a basic one. So I'm just going to click on add new. Right. So it looks like here it says, please click here to activate ultimate add-ons for Gutenberg to see Cartflows templates. So it looks like the templates are made using ultimate add-ons. So, and over here it says, if your preferred page builder is not available, feel free to create your own pages. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and click on Ultimate Add-ons. I think it's free as well. So let's see how that looks. And then I'm also going to try to create it using my own pages here. All right, so now I have my templates here. So let's import this one right here. So it's quite interesting because, like I said, I've only used Divi to create my funnels. So it's going to be very interesting to see how things are in Gutenberg. Okay, so I have all my steps here. So I'm just going to say tests, and then I am going to update it. So I'm not going to bother adding my product here because the whole point of this is to see how I can go in and edit this with the Gutenberg editor. So now if I click on edit, the moment of truth, there we go. Wow. This is amazing, actually. So I can go in and edit all this. This is looking like a proper page builder. Wow. This is amazing. But you know what? I think the real test is when I go in and create a page from scratch. So let's go ahead and do that. So I'm just going to go, I'm going to go back here to edit flow. And let's add a brand new step. And I'm going to create my own. And the type is landing. Okay, I'm just going to create a brand new landing page from scratch and see what this looks like. So there we go. We have landing. I'm going to click edit. All right. So here now I can see I have my code for my next step. All right, so let's start by adding a brand new image here. So I'm just going to search for my image module. And here it is, media library. And I'm going to go with this one right here. Let's select that. Okay, so it looks like I have my image here, and let's align center. Okay, that's looking great. Next, I am going to add some blocks. So I want to come to the top here and let's go through and see what elements we have. So let's go to common blocks. So we can go here and add our paragraph text, which I'm going to add by going to lorem 2. Now I'm only doing this to save time, by the way. So those of you that watch my videos, you notice that I use lorem ipsum quite a lot. All right, so I'm just going to paste this here and update. And we're also going to add a button here. So let's add a button. Oh, we have a marketing button as well. This is very interesting. That's awesome. So let's see if I can further customize this. I think this is coming from the ultimate add-ons. So here, let's see what we can do. So the design is over here. I can add my link in here, which is this right here. Okay, paste my link and this will take me to the sales page. Right, so the button icon, we have an icon here. So if I click on this drop down, I start to see even more icons. This is really cool. Okay, now the text that says subscribe now, actually I want to say buy now. Okay, get free access. Okay, that's fine. What about the colors? See if I can add the colors, and I can add some spacing here as well. This is really cool. All right, so content, I've got the title. I can go in and add the typography here. Increase the size to make the button really big. My font weight. You know what? This is now working as a proper page builder. So you can see here, I can go in and really customize this. I also have my different views here, which means I can take a look at it in different screen sizes. Okay, so now this is what I was looking for. I was actually looking for the colors. Right, so here we can play around with the colors. Look at that. I wonder, oh, there we go, custom color. This is what I was looking for. Awesome. Okay. Okay. To be honest, I may seem surprised here because I haven't really used the Gutenberg editor. On my channel, I mainly talk about Divi. So this is quite amazing to see what we can do here. So let's go to the background and see what we can do here as well. So, oops, so that's our padding. Yeah, but this is not very smooth. But anyway, it's not as advanced as like Divi or any other page builders. Okay, so I can add opacity. Oh, there's the border. That's what I was looking for. So we can add a border. Nice. Can you do rounded corners? No rounded corners. But I guess you can add some CSS here to further customize this to make it look the way you want. Okay, so that's looking very interesting. So let's say I hit update and preview the page. Let's see what happens. Okay, so that's our landing page. If I hit preview. So to be honest, when I look at this, it looks like you can build really basic sales pages and landing pages, upsells, downsells, without the need to really go in and make complicated looking pages. Because sometimes when it comes to funnels, you're looking for two main things: the main message and obviously the speed of your website. So these page builders could actually bring more lag to your design, although they can be very, very fast. But if you compare a bare bones Gutenberg editor and let's say with Elementor or Divi, I'm pretty sure, I haven't done the test yet, but I'm pretty sure that because of all the features that are packed into these page builders, it does bring a bit of a lag as compared to just running a bare bones Gutenberg editor. So I would think that this would be faster, but that speed comes with a problem, and that is you have less flexibility when it comes to customizing your pages. And this is, for me, a very, very difficult choice to make, because I like making my pages look really, really professional, and I like dialing in and really making all those minute changes to anything that I'm designing on the page. And I don't really get it with Gutenberg editor. However, when it comes to just, quick pages, sign up pages, which you just want to throw up there and start designing, yeah, I think you can really do that. And also, there are also add-ons that you can add on to this and make this really work like a proper page builder. But I'm still to explore those and see what it looks like. But so far out of the box, I'm really impressed that you can go in and just use a basic WordPress install without any page builders and just have Cartflows work out of the box with Gutenberg. So this is very exciting, and I'm definitely going to explore further and take a look at how this works and how you can use it in real life in your designs. But it is very, very interesting to see that we can now use Gutenberg with Cartflows. All right, guys, tell me what you guys think about Gutenberg, Cartflows, and also page builders. What would your workflow be like now that we have Gutenberg working with Cartflows? Let me know in the comments box below. And also, don't forget that if you buy Cartflows using my affiliate link, you will get also my sales funnels course that teaches you how to design professional looking websites with Cartflows and Divi. All right, guys, that's all I have for you in today's video. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you again in the next video. Take care.